Right, in this video we're going to find the percentage of an object. So we're going to work out 24% of £1,920. So we need to find 24% of 1,920. So we're going to use there's two different methods of doing this. One is to use fractions. So what we do, we write 24% as 24 over 100. Of in mathematics is multiply. And then we write 1,920 and put it over 1. Now, using the fraction button on your calculator, so that button is that one there. Okay, and then you just write it in 24 over 100 times 1,920 over 1. And that will give you an answer of 2,304 over 5. And then to change that to a decimal, we need to use this button down here, the S to D button. So just press that, and that will give you 460 pounds and 80 pence. Now, with money, make sure if there's decimals that you give your answer to 2 decimal places. So you would need to put in an extra 0 in this case. Now, method two is using a decimal. So what you do is you write 24% as a decimal, which is, so remind you, we're finding 24% of 1,920. So what we will do, 24% as a decimal is 0.24. Of in mathematics is multiply, and then we do 1920, and you just write that in normally on your calculator, and that will give you straight away 460.80. So £460 and 80 pence. Okay, so there's been a video to show you how to find the percentage of an object. Hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.